Just come down to the Wrexham Model Engineering Club. This is my new car. This is quite nice. It has got, open the door, show people, it's got leather seats.
And it's got a little handle.
It's got a little, put that up. But yeah, it's nice. So yeah.
And it's really old.
Thanks for my dad sorting it out. So yeah, it does us. It goes.
It said on the paper it was grey, but
Yeah, I know. On the paperwork it says it's grey, but to me, it's like blue. So we don't know. So yeah, we're gonna go to the train club, have a half hour, an hour here, and then we'll see what time it is when we leave. So we'll see you in a bit.
Bye-bye.
Jessica with the doll. Wrong. It's Dave's train, which is called the Royal Air Force. I don't know if you can hear me, but there's the train. So Rachel with the doll.
Hello.
Jessica's eating quavers.
There's sheep in the field.
Hey?
There's sheep in the field.
Yeah. Sheep. We're in the station. Just come to the Grosvenor Garden Centre and I found the plant I've been looking for ages, but I'm not paying this price. But that's the plant I want. When I got married, I think my Auntie Bev bought it us. Yeah, so it's bamboo. It's called a lucky bamboo. So if anyone wants to buy me one, but I'm not paying £20 for it.
It's a mini terrarium.
Hello.
Terrarium.
Hello.
And how much is that?
Hello.
John Ducket, it's a small
John
one.
Duck, it's a small one.
I'm gonna go look at the cactus. I can touch a cactus.
Don't sit on one. So, yeah, we've been to my parents. My mum's come home, so she's on the mend. Just likes cactus. Is that a cactus? That's not a cactus. Does it say cactus?
Cactus. Look at this cool
Chrysella or
cactus.
something.
Look at that.
That's cool, isn't it?
Yeah.
Ow! Spiky. Spike me to death.
Rachel got spiked.
Spike.
Hmm.
I can touch it.
Yes, I know. Not like the other ones.
125 bottles.
It is. Watch your back. Watch your back.
That's a big
How
one.
do you make the plants in there?
Then that one got there. £49.
Succulent plants.
Look.
That's what John Duckett wants.
Isn't that just-
Indoor plants.
Daddy, look at that.
These ones here.
It's not a cactus.
It is.
Cacti. Is it cactus or cacti?
Oh, scary. That's scary.
Tell me in the
Look at
description,
spots in there.
the comments section.
49.
So we're going for a walk round. Every time I come in here, it smells nice because
Those bath bombs.
they have bath bombs. Lots of different colour bath bombs. They look like bonbon sweets, but I wouldn't eat them if I was you. But bath fizzers, bombs, fizzers, whatever they are. Kind of cool. Oh, it's these smelly things, diffusers, which I've got one at home, but let's have a sniff what that is. It's just cold. I don't think there's any. I think it's just water in that one. This one? Oh. Oh, that one's nice. Breathe easy. Let's have a look. They're alright. Oh, P45. Hang on. That doesn't say what liquid they're using. It's... Let's have a look behind there. Is it focus or calming? That's quite weird. Focus. Because that's my new car. But yeah, it's quite nice. Treating my car to a full tank. Well, just under full tank. So ready for the journey tomorrow. So I'm hoping it won't go much lower. But hey ho, 1 in a million for the Jessica's looking. Strange. Very strange. She's got that silly doll with her. I hate. It's evil. I don't like dolls. But yeah, it's turn the engine off. But yeah, we shall see you again. Bit of an end video for this today's sort of short video. I didn't really have a busy weekend. I got my new car yesterday. It's a nice car. Yeah, so I'm being out today, as you probably seen in the start of the video. I'm just on. I won't show you the. Hang on, where's the brand? My mirror replacement shake, which is helping me because I want to get in shape for the summer. I want to lose my flab, so yeah. What's the cat doing? He's licking himself, but yeah. So I think the end of this video, end of this week, we might be going up to the caravan. It's Easter weekend at the end of the week, so we'll either go up Thursday evening or Friday morning, depending on other things. So I'm happy I'm back on the road. I'm just about to go on my PlayStation to go on YouTube and have a couple of videos while I'm downloading this video. So when you're watching this, I'll be downloading it. So yeah, we went to the train place today. I haven't been for a while. Last week I went at the AGM, and yeah, it was a lot happened. But as I'm saying, it's the end of it's Sunday now. Not had a very much because I've been in the car. Well, I picked the car up yesterday. I'm off in the weekend. I'm saying random stuff again. I'm off to Dudley tomorrow. Taking me dad to pick his car up. It was a bit poorly, so he's dropped it off there and pick it up. So it's going to be in the afternoon when I'm fully energized. Because I think it's about 60 miles, 68 miles, I don't know, something like that, each way. So it's a good hour and a half each way. So yeah. So we shall see you. Actually, as I do, I keep on forgetting. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for when my videos come out. So let me show you Smokey. There's Smokey the cat. Smokey! Cuddly. He's looking old, isn't he? But yeah, he's so. But yeah, I don't know. I might do a video tomorrow on the quick video, but it'll be the end of the week when I'm doing a Easter weekend. There's a couple of things going on in the caravan, so yeah. If you don't see me this week on the video, I shall see you next weekend. So we'll see you again. Bye.